Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is KP's Craft and DIY. Today we are going to make primer at home and yeah, this is a requested video और आप देख सकते हैं कि किसने रिक्वेस्ट किया, स्क्रीन के ऊपर आपको दिख रहा होगा. So let's get started. So ingredients we need for primer is aloe vera gel. I use Patanjali aloe vera gel, then glycerin. So let's get started. So first we take aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons. Then glycerin, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And the next thing means it is optional. It is totally optional. Sunscreen. I take this half teaspoon only. And I use Patanjali sunscreen. Now our primer is ready. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.